This is a forgotten motorcycle. Suzuki British Horse 400. Backstage netizens contacted me, saying there is a Suzuki British Horse 400. He wants me to help him clean up. So I had his limousine pulled over. According to the owner's description, this car, it has been in his warehouse for more than 4 years. I took a brief look. The foundation of this car is still good. There's not much damage or wear. Just normal aging. Or is it an American asset? From the USA. This chain is also strong enough to be used, and it is embroidered like this. Shock absorption and oil leakage. It's already what I expected. This fragile plastic part. Basically on the old car. There is no complete one. But his configuration is quite high. It's also a car tour for Brembo. Let's cut the crap and give him a bath first. All this long I need. That's come his exam become for. Of us all I think it's no nigga hurt. Wait, so I think it's no nigga. It sounds like a really problem. Let's open the mailbox and take a look. After inspection, it turned out to be a motor problem. We rang his sleeping heart. If you can turn it, you can get it. Let's give him a boost. Successful landing. We do a full car umbrella on the vehicle. Then help netizens do an appearance renovation. Video time is longer. Please be patient. Of our zones, and you're my best though cause I'm tired. This is the first time I have encountered this problem. The brake pads fell out like this. What kind of inferior brake pads are these? We have removed the parts. Now we can start renovating. Samsung is also oxidized out of shape. We also do a wire drawing for him. At the request of netizens, change it to gold for him. Colored wheels. The capstan seat must also be arranged for him. Something that's nothing but the rings are like lovely to find. On days on 9 week, there's coming zone become 4. Of us, all heart takes no nigga occasional. So heart takes no nigga. Beat a glacier. Hey control body party. See here. The renovation of this car is coming to an end. We pulled him out for a walk and showed him. And that ends the story of the British horse. Have friends who like to renovate old cars. Give me some attention. I will keep updating. See you next time.